Everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable your microphone on your Android phone and fix if the mic is not working or anything like that. So what we want to do is first close all our applications down. So we got all these applications up. I can swipe over to the left and go to clear all. And then if I'm trying to use my microphone, if I have a different application open up and it's using it or it gains access to it, it's not going to work on the application I want. So I'm going to go to the top right. Go to settings right here. Going down to where it says apps. And then you want to go to permissions for that specific application. So let's say it's WhatsApp, for example. We want to come to the permissions for that app. And make sure microphone right here is allowed. So you can see this says allow while using the app. Okay, so this is turned on. So that's good. So you want to do this for the application you're having an issue with. So whatever it may be. So it could be like, I don't know, whatever you're doing, maybe Grok or something like that. Fortnite, for example, permission. So we want to give permission for our microphone and then just set it to allow. So here it is, allow, and then we should be good to go. So just look at that to give it some permissions and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.